Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on time shift on the MyTV Online 2 app on the Formuler Dreamlink T3 devices. The time shift feature allows you to restart a program that has already started. From the full screen mode, click on the Info button, then down on the D-pad. Scroll over to the Cloud Time Shift icon and click OK. Your program will start back from the beginning, and you can fast forward through the commercials to catch back up to live TV. In this mode, you can also scroll back and time shift previous programs. Remember, with Time Shift and Catch Up feature, programs will start recording early, so you will catch the end of a previous program before your program begins. Thank you for watching.